Hi, I'd like to show you the eCropScout. I'm going to show you today the features of the planting application datasheet. And so it's got the same face as most of the apps within this program, and you can put your own logo up here. Again, you just put in your client, we're top farmer here, back 40, date, wheel comes up, put in what you want, crop. Let's say we're going to corn again, 1 3/4. Population here, let's say 36,000, and we have moisture of slightly dry. We have below average crop conditions, and we're at emergence, percent of county planted, 75%. Just grab any state and the counties that are associated with that state. Then we have irrigation. We don't have irrigation. And again, maybe it's the guy's name that's scouting it is Tom. We go here to our map section, and what's nice about the planting app that you could do is you could take your seed bags, the tags from those, and you could put those in order. And you could take a camera shot of those. You take a camera shot of those, and it goes into the picture library, and then you can draw on those that picture if you want. You could show that this tag for this particular variety is in section in map area A, that type of thing. So you can do any of that. You just pull them up into this, and then you draw them. This variety was here. Maybe this was a different variety over here, that type of thing. So you can pretty much show whatever you want. If you got a bad area there, that type of thing. If you can see the difference, right along here of the different varieties. So maybe this is variety A and this is variety B. So you can put whatever you need to in here, and then you'd save it. Boom, you'd save it to the photo library. You go back here. We go back to the planting app, and now we start to put in the data. Now this is just a warning, basically saying you should have already made your map. So we got a variety here. Maybe it's maybe for us it's a DeKalb 5259. We have a map area here. Maybe it's in map area A. Acres, maybe the field 67 acres. Bags needed, 31 bags. Now, what's nice about this is, and this is only for corn, it automatically calculates the number of bags you needed for corn. If it's soybeans or wheat, that type of thing, it'll basically, bags needed will be 0. It can only do the corn there. So then you go in here, and you've got actual bags used. You can put down whatever, maybe it only took 30 bags. You can put in insecticide type, insecticide rate. You can put in whether you had a seed treatment or not. Then you can put in fertilizer. Maybe you put some 1034-0 on. Maybe the rate was 3 gallons per acre. And you can take these and you can change them any way you want. So if you have a desire to put something else in there that you want to keep track of, you certainly can. You just hit other, you just type in what you want to have in there, and then that'll go into your database and come up the next time. So you can do that. And then notes, you can put in whatever notes you need. Maybe there was an issue when you planted, that type of thing with that particular variety. So you've got places, you got 3 areas down here for varieties, you got 3 areas up here. You can mark them as far as the map goes. Keep track of anything you want along here, and then just enter your values here. So it's just kind of to keep track of, if you put a bunch of different varieties in a field, or you wanted to keep track of different things you did in that field. So, and then basically come down here, add a map, go find that particular map that you just created, whether it's there, maybe it's in the camera rolls, and then that's added. And then let's say we want to make this black and white because I want to print it out. And so this will be the front page and the map will be the second page. Basically telling you need to save it now. So we'll go save it. We'll throw it in iBooks. And there it is. So we have our information here. The second page is whatever map we drew on, and then that becomes into our library. Again, you can email it, print it, that type of thing. The library, you can have it set up like this so you can see what's there, or you can have it set up a different way where it's just the folders like this. So that's the planting app for eCropScout iPad.